We've got some fresh images of 3I Atlas, a third ever interstellar object observed from Earth.
Imagine something is happening in the darkness of space, millions of miles away from our Earth, for which even the world's greatest scientists do not have an answer. Recently, a new picture of 3I Atlas has come out, which has created a stir in the entire space world. The thing seen in this picture looks neither like an asteroid nor like a comet. This is something different, such a mysterious scene that everyone is surprised to see. NASA scientists are looking calm from outside, but panic and tension can be clearly felt inside. There is a lot of commotion on social media at this time. People are presenting different theories on Reddit and Twitter. Some say that this could be evidence of alien technology, while some are linking it to some incident which is far beyond our thinking and understanding. The 3I Atlas hashtag is trending rapidly, and people are saying that if it turns out to be true, it could change the history of the entire human civilization forever. The most shocking thing is that some parts of this picture have been deliberately blurred. The question arises, why? Is the government or NASA hiding something? Do they have a secret that can never be told to the world? In this video, we will try to understand every aspect of this mystery. What does this 3I Atlas picture actually show? Why are scientists so worried, and why some people are considering it the biggest threat to humanity? So watch the video till the end. And if you like exploring such mysteries, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Get ready, because after what you are going to see next, you will never be able to see space the same way before. Introduction to 3I Atlas. 3I Atlas is not an ordinary space object. It is an interstellar object. That is, it is a body from outside our solar system. It is named 3I Atlas because it is the third interstellar object that scientists have seen so far. The first two were Oumuamua and Borisov. The name Atlas is derived from the telescope project that discovered it. This project is designed to track dangerous meteorites and other objects around the Earth. When this mysterious object was first captured on camera, scientists did not understand what it was. It was first seen by the Atlas telescope system in Hawaii in April 2024. Initially, scientists thought that it would be a normal comet or meteorite passing through the edge of our solar system. But when more data was collected about it, it was found that its speed, direction, and size do not match any normal space body. It was moving so fast in space that it could not be explained by any known gravitational force. This was very surprising for scientists. Initially, NASA and other space agencies made a statement on this that it is probably a strange kind of comet, but as more information came to light, their statements started changing. Some scientists quietly started believing that it may have come from another star system. At the same time, some people were forced to think that it could be a part of some completely unknown and unseen technology. This is why when it was named 3I Atlas, this name became a topic of discussion all over the world. Revealing the new picture shortly ago, NASA and international space agencies released a new picture of 3I Atlas. This picture created a stir all over the world because what was seen in it stunned everyone. A long, thin, and shiny object is clearly visible in the picture. It did not look like a normal stone or a piece of ice at all. Its shape was as if it was made by someone intentionally. A light glow was also visible around it, which is not found in normal space objects. The strangest thing was that some parts of the picture were blurred. Seeing this, there was an immediate uproar on social media. People started raising questions as to what NASA and the government were trying to hide. People on Reddit and Twitter started claiming that there is a part in the picture that they probably do not want to show to the public. Some users said that if it is shown in full, it will be clearly visible that it is not a natural object, but could be some kind of alien spacecraft. The sudden release of the picture deepened the mystery. There was no official press conference, nor did anyone give detailed information. The picture was just uploaded on a website, and after that, NASA remained silent. This silence made people more suspicious. There was a stir within the scientific community as well, because they know that this discovery is not ordinary. It seems as if some people want to let the truth come out, while some are trying their best to hide it. This picture has raised a long series of questions not only among scientists, but also among the general public. Now the biggest question is Is this really technology from another planet or something we have never seen before? Scientists' reaction. As soon as the mysterious picture of 3I Atlas came out, there was a stir in the scientific world. NASA and other space agencies gave a statement on this, but their tone was not clear. Initially, NASA said that it could perhaps be an unusual piece of a comet or meteorite. They tried to assure the public that there was no need to panic, but after a few days, a change was seen in their statements. Many scientists avoided saying anything directly on the public platform. Their statements were always roundabout. When journalists asked direct questions whether this was not a natural object, a NASA spokesperson simply said, "We are still researching it. It would be too early to reach a conclusion." Hearing this, more questions began to arise. It seemed as if they were hiding something or were afraid to speak openly. Some independent scientists who were not associated with NASA or other government agencies gave shocking statements about this object. They said that they had never seen anything like this before. An astronomer even said, "This is the strangest and most mysterious object ever. Its speed and direction break the general astronomical rules." Hearing this, the debate in the scientific community intensified. Insiders say that many secret meetings are being held regarding this discovery. Top officials of NASA, ESA, European Space Agency, and other big organizations are attending these meetings. It is believed that there is something in the picture that they do not want to bring in front of the public. This is the reason why some parts of the picture were deliberately blurred. No one knows exactly what is being discussed in these meetings, but the tension in the internal environment can be clearly felt. Uproar of the public and social media. As soon as this picture was released, there was an explosion on social media. People started discussing it openly on Twitter, Reddit, and YouTube. Everyone was presenting their own theories. Some people said that this is an alien spacecraft passing through our solar system. At the same time, some people believed that it could be a secret military project that was accidentally seen in space. The hashtag named Wiener3I Atlas started trending rapidly. Millions of tweets were made in a few hours. Many threads were created on Reddit in which people were trying to find hidden things in the picture of this object by zooming in on it. Some Reddit users claim that they have seen some machine-like part in the picture which does not look natural. Many memes and videos also started going viral on social media. Some people were taking it as a joke, while some were seriously debating on it. Many YouTubers also gave their opinion by making videos on this subject. A viral video claimed that when the blurred part of the picture is cleared, a strange pattern is visible which looks like a spacecraft. All these discussions deepen this mystery. Now people are demanding transparency from NASA and the government. This question has spread rapidly among the general public. If this is an ordinary object, then why were some parts of the picture hidden? Due to not getting any answer to this question, people's suspicion is increasing, and this story has slowly become a global mystery. Initial scientific theories. Initially, many different theories emerged among scientists regarding 3I Atlas. The first and most common theory was that it could be a new type of comet. Comets are usually made of ice, dust, and gas, and when they come near the sun, their brightness and tail-like shape are visible. Some scientists believe that the strange shape and brightness of 3I Atlas could be due to this reason. The advantage of this theory is that it is the simplest and most common explanation, but its weakness is that the speed and direction of this object does not match that of comets. The speed at which it is moving in space has not been seen in any normal comet. The second theory that emerged was that this object may have come from another star system. That is, it is not from our solar system, but is a body emitted from a very distant planet or star. This theory sounds a bit strange, but it is not completely impossible. According to scientists, sometimes due to a collision or explosion of a planet, its pieces are thrown out in space, and they can travel for millions of years and reach another solar system. The advantage of this is that it can explain the unusual speed of 3I Atlas to some extent. But the problem is that the shape and structure of this object does not match the pieces of any normal planet or star. The third and the simplest theory was that it could just be a strangely shaped rock. Countless rocks and bodies keep floating in space. It is possible that this is just an unusually shaped rock that looks mysterious to us. The strength of this theory is that it does not give rise to any big mystery, but its weakness is that the pattern and brightness of 3I Atlas is completely different from normal rocks. None of these theories could be completely proven. There is some or the other lack in every explanation, due to which this mystery is becoming even deeper. Theory of alien connection. As scientists studied 3I Atlas in depth, some experts believe that it could not be natural. According to them, the shape and behavior of this object is completely different from normal space objects. Usually comets or meteorites are irregular and rough in shape, but the shape of 3I Atlas appears very balanced and smooth. It seems as if someone has designed it deliberately. Its speed is also not normal. Not only is it extremely fast, but its direction seems to change suddenly. Natural objects follow the laws of gravity, but the movement of 3I Atlas is not like that. This thing is surprising the scientists. Some experts say that if it is not natural, then it could be the technology of an advanced civilization, that is, an alien spacecraft. This theory is most discussed in Reddit and UFO community. People are zooming in on the pictures and analyzing every part of them. Many users claim that they have seen machine-like patterns in it. In a thread on Reddit, someone said that this shape closely matches the objects seen in old UFO sightings. Some similarities are also found when comparing old UFO sightings. For example, the pattern and brightness of the object seen in a 1977 UFO case is very similar to the picture of 3I Atlas. However, all this is just a theory and no concrete evidence has been found yet. Still, these discussions have increased people's curiosity. Even though scientists are not speaking openly, the UFO community believes that this could be the biggest discovery ever for our civilization. If it turns out to be true, it will prove that we are not alone in the universe. Government's silence and mystery. When the 3I Atlas picture was first released, people immediately noticed that many parts in it were deliberately blurred. Seeing this, there was a stir in the public. Questions began to arise as to why this was done. If this object is an ordinary stone or a comet, then what was the need to hide or blur the picture? This mystery deepened when NASA and other government agencies did not give any clear answer to this. Many people believe that the government is hiding the truth. There are many examples in history when governments kept major discoveries or events secret from the public. Like the Roswell UFO incident of 1947, where it was initially said that a weather balloon had crashed, but years later it was revealed that it was no ordinary balloon. Similarly, many times UFO sightings were also officially dismissed, while their investigation continued inside. People believe that if there is something in the blurred parts of the picture that shows the truth to people, then panic can spread globally. There may be some machine-like parts, strange patterns or such signs that clearly prove that it is not a natural object, but an object made by an advanced civilization. That is why the government is maintaining silence instead of speaking openly, and the public is being given incomplete information. If it is really alien, then if it is proved that 3I Atlas is not an ordinary stone, but a vehicle or technology of an alien civilization, then its effect will be deep on the entire humanity. This will be the biggest turning point in human history. For the first time, we will be forced to believe that we are not alone in the universe. First of all, it will affect the mentality and emotions of the people. Some people will be very excited to see this, that finally we have found evidence of extraterrestrial life. They will consider it the biggest achievement of science. At the same time, many people may get scared and panic. They will feel that if an alien civilization is much more advanced than us, then it can become a threat to the Earth. This fear can spread instability in society. There will be major changes at the religious level as well. In many religions, it is believed that life exists only on Earth and we are the center of the universe. But if evidence of the existence of alien civilization comes to light, it will challenge many religious beliefs. This can shake people's faith, and religious leaders will have to face new questions. Some people may consider it against their faith, while some will see it as a new miracle. Its impact will also be huge at the political level. Countries will try to take control of this discovery. Imagine if this object is made of some advanced technology, then every country will want to get it. This can increase tension at the international level. It is also possible that some powerful countries may hide this discovery from the public and use it for their own benefit. If this turns out to be true, it will start a new era in the whole world. New doors will open in science, and the way of exploring space will change forever. But with this, the question will also arise whether we are ready to handle such a big truth. For the first time in history, extraterrestrial life will be confirmed, and this moment will be like the moment when humans first landed on the moon, but much bigger and more shocking. This event will change the thinking, science, religion, and politics of generations to come. If this object really belongs to an alien civilization, it will not just be a discovery, but it will prove how vast the universe is and how small we are in it. This could prove to be a truth that will change human civilization forever. Even if it is a normal object, it is still a mystery. Even though some scientists believe that 3I Atlas may be an ordinary space object, there are many aspects of it that do not allow it to fall into the category of a normal asteroid or comet. First of all, its shape and pattern are extremely strange. Normal meteorites are usually rough and irregular in shape, but the shape of 3I Atlas seems somewhat balanced and organized, as if someone has deliberately made it in this form. This is the most surprising thing for scientists. Apart from this, its speed and direction are also extremely unusual. Normal space objects always follow the laws of gravity, and their speed can be easily predicted. But the movement of 3I Atlas was seen changing suddenly many times, as if some invisible force has pushed it or is controlling its direction. This thing creates the biggest obstacle in considering it a normal space object. Scientists say that it is very important to investigate this object in depth. Just looking at it from a distance is not enough. They will have to collect more detailed data about it. Some experts even say this object is definitely hiding something, which is still hidden from our eyes. Therefore, even if it is natural, it is important to collect every little information about it so that its mystery can be completely solved. Future of space research. The discovery of 3I Atlas has shaken the world of space research. Whether this object is natural or artificial, it has proved that there is still a lot in our universe that we do not know. This discovery will take space exploration to a new level in the future. First of all, it will inspire scientists to develop new technologies. The limitations of the telescopes and equipment we have today are clearly visible. Now scientists will work towards making more advanced telescopes, machines to take pictures of deep space, and systems that collect data at high speed. This discovery has made it clear that we need more powerful tools to understand space. Second, this discovery can also promote global cooperation. Earlier, where different countries used to run their own space programs, now they can work together to solve such mysterious discoveries. Because if this object really turns out to be related to alien civilization, then it will not be an issue of just one country, but of the entire humanity. Finally, this discovery will be a matter of future generations. This will give rise to new questions and new dreams. People will not be limited to just looking at the stars, but will create new missions to discover the mysteries hidden among them. 3I Atlas has reminded us that space is infinite, and our curiosity should be equally deep. This is not just the story of a mysterious object, but the beginning of humanity's exploration, which will take us to even deeper mysteries of space. Role of media and public. As soon as the mysterious picture of 3I Atlas came out, social media spread this news like fire. First, this topic came into discussion on Twitter and Reddit, where people started sharing this picture and putting forward their own thoughts and theories. Within a few hours, the hashtag named 3Atlas started trending all over the world. Thousands of videos and posts started being made on YouTube and Instagram as well, in which people were giving their opinion about this object. The continuous questions of the public put a lot of pressure on NASA and the government. People started asking openly that if this object is ordinary, then why were some parts of the picture blurred? There were many threads on Reddit where people were trying to find the things hidden in the picture by zooming in. This forced the government to respond, even if their answers were incomplete. The participation of the public has also raised hopes that perhaps these people can help solve this mystery. It has happened many times in history that common people have contributed to big discoveries through their observations and research. This time, too, the power of social media and the curiosity of the public can perhaps become the biggest means of bringing out the truth hidden behind this mystery. Suspenseful climax. If we look at all the information so far, this story becomes even more mysterious and exciting. On one hand, scientists are saying that this object may be a natural body. On the other hand, the patterns and unusual activities seen in the pictures indicate that there is something more deep in it. NASA's silence blurred parts of the picture, and secret meetings have further increased this mystery. The debate on social media has made it a global issue. Some people are considering it the biggest discovery of science, while some are calling it a threat to humanity. Amidst the increasing curiosity of the public and the silence of the government, the question is becoming even deeper as to what is the truth. And now comes the suspenseful question that has made everyone think, is this just a mystery of space? Or is it a sign that we are not alone in the universe? More new information may come out in the coming days. Maybe in the next episode we will know the real truth of 3I Atlas, or maybe this mystery will get even deeper. Be ready because this game of space is not over yet. And yes, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that whenever new information related to this discovery comes out, it reaches you first.